Hi guys, welcome aboard Google Cloud again. Today we're going to be working with Apigee. Sorry about my voice, but anyway, we're gonna be creating a proxy. Okay, with let me just go in here, create. We're going to decide is no target. Let's leave the proxy wizard. There's no target. Proxy name. I already gave a base path. Let's change it. Okay, where else? All of these, let's just leave it all the rest. Let's create it. Probably it's going to be very fast. You're going directly to the development tab. Okay, and I'm going to add some policy steps. Okay, on the proxy endpoints. Let's go here to the proxy endpoints. There's a pre-flow. Okay, and here on the request and here on the response. What we're gonna do, we are going to the pre-flow. We're going to create JavaScript extension on that. Okay, so on the request pre-flow. Is that a JavaScript? Let's give it a name. Let's give it a display name. Okay, we don't have it yet, so we have to create it. Sorry. There you go. Send the request. Let's add it. Once you click here, go directly to the JavaScript definition. But here's our JavaScript. What we're going to do, I already have a code. We're going to do an external call to Google APIs by book. Okay. Like I can show you an example of it. If we call this book like here, Google API books, etc. APIs. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to have a request pattern search, which you're going to split by comma and do all the calls and store that into a search terms and put into the context. Okay, very simple. All right, and so what I would like to do, and we're going to add another policy step right here. Create a new policy step. We're going to add JavaScript again. Let's give it a name. We don't have it yet, so create. It's another one. So process response. So you're gonna get that response and process. There you have the reference of it. And here we go direct to the process response. Already have it prepared. Okay. There you go. First thing you're gonna do, let's go to process response. Here there's a time limit of 200. I want to change this to 500. Okay, so that's our time limit right now. And let's go to the code. That's the code I like to do. We're gonna have all the search terms. We're going to have a loop into this array. It's kind of a map. Okay, and we are going to get the request of it. H1, the search term. Okay, you're gonna check it, the response, and you're going to create a book response of it. And we're going to loop through that and put into the context. All right, there you go. We're gonna push into this response. Okay, all right. Then the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add another policy step. We're gonna call build message. So come in here, back, add policy step, assign a message. Let's give it a name. Let's add it, build it. There we go. That's our message. Okay, how we're gonna build. It comes from assign variables, etc. to have it prepared. What we're gonna do, our assign message is gonna be, we're gonna get the book response we just created, okay, and put into the payload. All right, assign it to response. Okay, so here we're gonna process and create the book response, okay, the whole value of it. And here you're gonna get, because you put onto the context, you got it. This puts the variable in the context, okay, so there is a context. The whole thing there, all the process that's happening, it's a process. So we're going to save it and let's deploy. Environment, okay. Okay, we're gonna continue in the next video deploying the test and all of it till it's deploying. I don't wanna make you waste any time. See you in the next video.